With this you can eliminate bunions. What are you waiting for? Remember, all people are not the same. It is possible that this home remedy will serve you, and it may not work for you. There is no magic or miracles in health, do not forget. There is nature and the desire to do things well. If you have doubts about what you do, consult your doctor. We will not be responsible for what might happen. Muscle aches are very common, usually caused by bad movements or even blows, something that always ends up disturbing all the feet. Usually because the feet are one of the parts we use most often, so it tends to have all sorts of problems, being the bunions one of the most annoying, no doubt. Having a bunion on your feet is synonymous with annoyance and problems, because it will prevent you from living your normal life, as it will not only bother you when walking, but even when sitting you will have inconveniences to avoid the pain. So, today we are going to recommend a natural remedy which is excellent for eliminating these bunions. Let's see it. To prepare this remedy you need to do the following. 1. You should pour about 10 ounces of water mixed with a tablespoon of bay leaves, preferably crushed. 2. Which you should cook for about 5 minutes and then keep this remedy in a thermos for the entire night. 3. Next, proceed to pour this liquid in the morning and then start taking small sips throughout the day. It is important that you do so slowly, because drinking that complete infusion is a little strong for your health. 4. You should do this for at least 3 days in a row, making sure that you prepare this fresh remedy every night. 5. This treatment should be repeated after 1 week. 6. If you follow the treatment to the letter, you will notice an immediate improvement after 10 days. 7. Said treatment of bay leaves should last about 2 months.